Why should we play violin with movable-do system? The ordinary people play violin with equal temperament. However, in tonal music one has to use pure temperament, so that the tonality and harmony are right. In major key, the median is 386 cents above the tonic, and the leading note is 408 cents above the dominant. In C major, the E is lower than that of equal temperament, and the B is higher. In G major, the B is lower than that of equal temperament, and the F sharp is higher. Comparing the same pattern on C major and G major, they are different in pitches. Thus, when playing 1, 2, buckle my shoe, it will be like